Good morning, children. Today we are going to know about a small girl talking to mummy. What is the reason? Like you, okay? That is it's change. That is the poem. It's change. What is the change? Nowadays we want to change. No, okay. You want to change, but here what is the change we are going to know? Mum. Mum means mummy. I don't want to go to school today. Sometimes you are also saying no, mummy, today I don't want to go. Maybe behind one reason will be there. But you won't have the reason. Up to 9:30, up to 10, you will be sleeping. After mummy left the place, you will be getting up and watching TV. That is the reason. But mama, so many reasons you are going to asking mummy. Now here also, one girl, mom, I don't want to go to school today. Cause. There's a short form of the because. Cause means the reason. What is the reason? No, mummy, do you know? Like that, the small girl, how nicely, how cleverly talking to mummy. The cause is, I fear. Mummy, I am afraid, mummy. I fear our world is in decay. Our world is in decay. Decay means spoiled one. Spoiled. Decay means spoiled. Sometimes our tooth also decayed. We are going to the doctor to take out. But here whole world is going to be decay, mummy. I don't want to. I fear. That's what today I don't want to go to school. Like that, the girl saying to the mother, I feel my teachers are part of the plot. Mummy, do you know? Main thing is only about the teachers, mummy. Teachers also doing something in secret. Teachers, number one is the teachers. To decay, my teachers plot also there. My teachers plans also they are doing secretly. The teachers are part of the plot. Plot means plan. Plot means plan. Plan, secret plan. Mummy, that's what I don't want to go. I don't want to go to school. My teachers only planning, mummy, secretly. They are only one of the parts of the to spoil the world. Then I am the only one who sees through the rot. Rot means situation is getting worst. Situation is getting, but mummy, I only see, mummy. No one should. The teachers also planning, but I am the only member gone through this one. Who are the responsible one? Oh, teachers are like that. I don't want to go to school, mummy. And second one, first one is the teachers are one of the parts of the to spoil the world. And second one about the scientist. The girl saying scientist. The girl saying scientist. Scientists will do the experiments. But what the girl saying? Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep. Mummy, what the scientists are doing? No, scientists are cloning. Cloning means producing pigs and sheep. Pigs and sheep together they are mixing. They are going to make the new animal. Mummy, what is this, mummy? Cloning, they are mixing, they are producing the new animal by mixing the pigs and sheep. Pigs and sheep. What is this, mummy? Really, is this a possible, mummy? Is this important, mummy? Why I have to go to school? First one, teachers also planning in secretly. They are one of the members. And second one, scientists also cloning pigs and sheep to create the new animal. Saying exchange, a quantum leap. Quantum leap means sudden, great, important change. A sudden change. When we ask, no, it's change. What is the change, mummy? To mixing pigs and sheep, they wanted to create another new animal. That is the scientist's duty. When we are, it's change. That is a sudden change. That is an important change. Like that, they are saying. Third one, biologist. Number 3 is the biologist. Biologist means like you are NS teacher. Biologists are making stem cells grow. These biologists' duty is making the stem cells to grow. Biologists are making the stem cells grow. Stem cells grow. When we ask no, what they will say? It's change. They will say it's change the way to go. It's change the way to go. Here, number 1 is the teacher. Number 2 is the scientist. Number 3 is the biologist. Number 4, geologist. Number 4 is the geologist. What they are doing the geologists? Geologists are finding cracks in our earth. Geologist's duty is to find out the cracks when it born. What happened is, and they are going to digging the soil. They are making to find out what are the reasons. This is the duty of the geologist. Where all the cracks they are going to find when it born. What is the meaning of the earth? What is inside of that? Like that they are going to find out. Number 1 is the teacher. Number 2 is the scientist. Number 3 is the biologist. Number 4, geologist. But the little girl does not know what is this going to happen. She thought whole world going to be decayed by these people. So teachers have to mentor the student, but these are also planning secretly. What is this, mummy? Like that. She is saying, I don't want to go to school. I am afraid. I don't know anything. I am not going to learn anything. Like that, the girl saying to the mother. Last one, archaeologist. Archaeologist. Number 5 is the archaeologist. 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 Number 1, teacher. Number 2, scientist. Number 3, biologist. Number 4, geologist. Number 5 is the archaeologist. What is the duty of the archaeologist? They are going to digging up fossils and bones. Nowadays, when the, scientists and some people are going to, when they are going to digging the soil, they found the bones, they found the brain, they found the skull, something they are going to find out. When they found, they are keeping in the zoo and going to learn who this one. Okay, that is the duty of the archaeologist. Archaeologists are digging up. Digging means to dig the soil. When they are digging, whatever they found, they are going to keep in the zoo, and afterwards they are going to find out. Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change. Time for clones. Time for clones. Clones, just now we learned. Clones means producing. So here these people also digging the soil and finding the fossils and bones to see who is this one. So all these, the girl does not interest to go to the school. So last one, yes. Scientists are causing me great concern. They are very concerned me, mummy. When I ask, they say it's change. The scientists are concern me, giving us kids too much to learn. All these people, teachers, scientists, biologists, geologists, archaeologists, are giving a lot of knowledge to the kids. Kids means small children. Is this important, mummy? Why should I go to school, mummy? That's the reason I did not go to school. See, last line, giving us. The above people are giving kids much to learn. But nowadays, All the children's mind is computerized. They know everything. No, like that in coming days also we are going to see some very clever people, very intelligent people. They wanted to learn, but than the education, they will be learning creativity more. Here also the girl saying they given what to learn, like the girl saying to maybe the girl around 9 years or 10 years, because what she is talking with this conversation, we can understand the girl is only not mature one, the girl only little girl, also around the 10 years and 9 years. So the poet name is Emma Gowri. Emma Gowri. So you have to write the meanings, then poet name, then rhyming words in the classroom. Okay, ma? Don't write the question and answers. You write the, don't write the poem also. You write the poet name first, heading, poet name, meaning, and rhyming words. Okay, have you understood how is the poem? Afterwards, you have to tell to me. Okay, bye.